Hello guys, welcome back to Revision Chronicles. Hope you all are doing great. This is Raheem and today we are going to see an unboxing video of the most important product nowadays for education, that is a tablet. So today we are going to unbox a Lenovo Tab M8 HD product, which is second generation. Let's quickly unbox and see what do we have inside. Now let's unbox and see. So this is the tab. It's a metallic gray color. Let's quickly see the specifications that we get with this. The body of this tab is completely made up of a premium metal design. It has a long battery life of 5000 mAh. It supports dual band Wi-Fi, that is 2.4 and 5.4 gigahertz, and comes with the latest Android. So it comes with a 8.1 inches screen. So inside the box we get a tab. Let's see what else we get. So we get a charging cable and we get this charger. This is a SIM ejecting tool and couple of manuals. Now let's see the physical overview of the tablet. So the body of the tab is made up of a complete metal, which is a good thing and it's a durable. So we have a camera which is a 5 megapixel in the rear. We have a USB port here that is also works as a charging cable. So this is a mic here, power on off button and the volume button there. So we have a SIM tray here where we can insert our SIM and use. So this is a 8 inches screen we have here. So guys, let's quickly switch on this tab now. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to switch on the bell icon. So guys, here we need to set up the language English India. Start. So need to accept the agreement here. Let's skip this for now. Let's connect to the Wi-Fi. So I just gave the password and it's now checking for the updates. So guys, this tablet is best for the students who are doing an online classes nowadays. So this comes under the price of 10,000 rupees, so which is a great deal. That is also having a SIM card option, so that is also a best option in this. So click on next. So better we click on don't copy. So this is the entire 8 inches screen, and so it has the bezels here. So we do not have any touch here. So the bezels are very important for tabs, I believe, because when we use tabs, so we have this option of keeping our thumb here or a finger here, so we will not touch or interrupt our work. Okay, I'll skip this for now. Skip. So guys, let's see the system settings. So we have the system update option here. So it's checking for the updates and it says you have the latest update here. So if we click on the about tablet, so we get all the information about the tablet, the device name, and if you see the legal information, we have the SIM status. We don't have SIM, so it's not available. The hardware, the IMEI number of this, and it has the Android version 10. So let's see, yeah, so we have this Android version 10 here. So guys, now let's see the camera of this tablet. Yeah, the camera looks good here. Yeah, it does the autofocus. So we have this picture size settings, so we can use as per our need. So we have the video quality which we want to use. So we have two here, 1080 and 720. Yeah, so we have a lot of options to explore as well. So now let's see the front camera of this. Yeah, the front camera also looks good, guys. So guys, the response time of the application for launching is also decent for this. Under the price of 10,000, so the touch is also good for this tablet. So it's good for the money and the value for the money, guys. Yeah, so it's good for viewing the videos. So this
गोल्ड मेडल भारत के नाम एथलेटिक्स में ओलंपिक गेम्स के अंदर.
So guys, we have couple of options here. So we have this brightness adjustment. So we have this focus mode, the location, the ring. Yeah, the Dolby movie music custom, so we can customize as per our need. So we have this eye protection, that makes the screen little bit less bright so that it doesn't affect the students while studying. So we have this screen assistance. So we have a lot of options here, guys, so we need to explore a lot on this tab. So guys, under the price of 10k, this is the best that we can get from the Lenovo. So it has a great durability metal body, and also it has a SIM card support, so that is a great option as well. So this is the best investment for the students who are doing an online education nowadays. So this is also best for the people who wanted to view videos for entertainment purpose on YouTube or any other platform. Well, that's it for today, guys. If you like this video to be helpful for you, please consider subscribing to this channel. It will not only motivate me to make some more stuff, but also help the channel to grow. I'm expecting 1,000 subscribers from this video. Well, until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.